Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn M with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you are a returning viewer, welcome. I'd like to ask you to please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button as well as that little bell icon so that you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. I'm really excited to share this video with you. Today, I received a new collection by my friend Kim Murray from Salty Beach Scrapper and her creative director Debbie Adams. They have a new collection that they just released. It's called Like Bees to Honey, and this is absolutely beautiful. In fact, I loved it so much I purchased 2 packages of this paper. I will include a link to the Etsy shop where you can purchase this. The paper size is 8.5 by 8.5. It's got a beautiful quality paperweight. So let's take a look at these wonderful designs. This is the cover sheet. There are a total of 12 sheets in this collection, and you receive 2 copies of each design. This is the first page. This is absolutely beautiful. What I love about this page is you've got the printed script writing in the background. You've got these beautiful little bees and the sunflowers, and in the center this large sentiment that says grow your own. And this is the back. You have these fun beehives. This is the next page. You have what looks like a chain link fence, and on the back you've got this beautiful green, and ever so lightly you can see this beautiful vine on the side, and in the center you have a bee with a little crown, the queen bee. Next you've got this beautiful honeycomb page with these lovely flowers. And this is the back. I love this page. You have all different shapes of bees. And then you have this ghosted script writing in the back. Next you have this page with the large sunflowers. It says beehive. You've got a large beehive here in the center, and then it says clothing house on the bottom. And on the back you've got a light muted green background with these beautiful crowns. Can you see the detail in them? And on each of the crowns, if you look really closely, you can see sunflowers. This is a gorgeous sheet here. You've got these large sunflowers on the top and the bottom, this beautiful text writing in the back, and this large bee house here on the bottom. On the back, you've got these beautiful sunflowers on the side, and you have all different types of writing. You've got several different postcards and stamps. This is just so beautiful. Next, you have the ephemera sheet, and you have all of these different cutouts. Here it says, if flight is in your heart, you will find your way home. In every woman, there's a queen. Kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul. Though she be little, she be fierce. Beehive rules: be kind, be honest, be respectful, be positive, be grateful, and believe in yourself. And then you have these fun cut-aparts here on the bottom. And on the back, you've got this beautiful yellow page with all of these honeycombs on it. This concludes my review of the new paper collection, Like Bees to Honey by Kim Murray. Please be sure to visit Kimmy on her YouTube channel, Salty Beach Scrapper. She also has a Facebook group, Salty Beach Scrapper, and I will be sure to include a link to her Etsy store so you could purchase this lovely collection. Please join me tomorrow to see the fun projects that I create with this beautiful paper collection. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Your feedback really means a lot to me, and it also enables other people to see the content that I've created on this channel. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.